almost forgot my decoy. It's one of the best parts. We are in business, boys. We are in business. Get my decoy out right there. Hopefully we can find me a stick. Can't believe I forgot my shooting stick. One thing I love about my Fox Pro though is it tells me how long I've been sitting in the stand. It's absolutely love. I usually put in about 20 minutes, maybe 30 if I'm feeling good. Feeling lucky, I should say. This morning, started off with lightning jack. On to the next stand. I had high hopes for this last stand, but it was fruitless. It was fruitless. Alright, just did a little fence crossing. So what I'm going to do, so I was sitting up on this hill over here. I'm about to go up that hill. Call on the other side, the back side of that hill over there. Has been running through here, which is why I started on this side. Just to see if there's anything calling that way. But rumor has it they're up here as well. I'm gonna walk up this hill and get on the other side. I've called this spot once before, but provided fruitless. That was, you know, like I said, we've been driving four-wheel around everywhere as well. So we'll see. Them coyotes ain't dumb, or they aren't dumb, because ain't a word. So we'll see. Break out the Fox Pro. Break out old Trixie. It's an arrow position lower, Bravo Company upper, and I have it's chambered in 223 wild, mid-length gas system, and I just have a little old cheapo True Glow scope on it, and oh, I freaking hate it, but it'll work for this college kid. Right off, I forgot my snacks too. I'm just forgetful. I'm slow this morning. I am slow. Alright, yeah. So try setting up just on the other side over here, where I can see anything coming off that hillside. The wind is a northeasterly wind. More so out of the north, I suppose. I mean, shooting stick this time. So I set my Fox Pro and a little scrub brush over there. Gets it up off the ground and projects that sound a little further. The wind's blowing this way. Usually I'd set up that way with the wind in my face. But these coyotes will come down through this timber and they'll circle around and come up this way. So they'll come downwind. So I'm going to set up this way, kind of watch both ways. And if I can't get them before they wind me. Oh, these thorns behind me. Let's rock and roll. No luck so far. We've been here about 15 minutes. Not a peep. Played some challenge calls. Sent them cows running. But, I don't know. I might have to switch over to some mouth calls. Or, try something different. I don't know. No such luck. We have a bunch more stands to hit up today. Try to figure this property out. I just can't believe I haven't seen that dang thing, nothing. But yeah, we'll have to see. Thinking tomorrow I'm gonna set up underneath that tree, that big tree that's kind of out there in the middle of the field by itself. I think I might set up underneath that tomorrow. We'll see. Give this stand about 5 more minutes and then we're heading out. It's amazing how much louder that call gets when the wind dies down. Wind carries that sound so much. No luck this morning, but we'll try again this evening. Let's take ourselves a walkabout. Alright, we're heading out. I don't know why I keep saying we. Heading out a little early, a little after 6. I'm gonna go set up on some tank batteries that I passed this morning. That way, get a little higher vantage point. I have 2 other spots that I'm gonna call at. So I'll hit up 3 or so. Hopefully we'll get better luck this evening than I did this morning. Hit 3 spots this morning, nothing happened. Not a peep, but it's summer season, it's denning season, everything's grown up. So, and you know old Wile E. Coyote, they're sneaky, so they'll sneak around. This evening we're going to start off with a little fawn distress. Might possibly bring him in. Heading out a little early. It's cool. It's actually cooled off quite a bit here. So it's not the heat of the day. Hoping them coyotes are getting out early as well. So we will see. We shall see. Alright, got my setup here. Walking up to the tank batteries. Right up here. I don't know how good of a vantage point it will be. Hoping that tree will actually give me a little bit better cover. I just don't know about my shot opportunities. These are some old inactive tank batteries that nobody uses. Ooh. Let's hope they're good. Oh, there's a lot of deer been in here. Or hogs. Almost look like hogs. Those are really big footprints. Alright. Let's hope it's not rotted out up top. Because that wouldn't be fun. I ain't taking y'all on the climb because it's looks like a little wet. Been at the tank batteries for about 30 minutes now, and it's a bust. Definitely a bust. No sign of nothing. Here's a couple owls. Tried doing a locator call. Nothing. Did a little lucky bird and fawn distress, but then I hit him with the old lightning jack. But nothing. Nothing. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and move on down and go on to the next spot, which hopefully is a little more promising. Just hope the cows aren't over there. It's probably the only thing. Hopefully they've moved on further south into the bigger pasture. So there's a high point over there that I scoped out earlier that I'm thinking I'm gonna go hit. So it's right along some timber, by some water, which is where the coyotes are, where they're going. Water and kind of the edge. So hopefully we'll get one. Take it with me. Got a little setup. So we're gonna see if we can't coax one of these little bad boys out before the sun sets. So we'll see. We got cows back over here to my right, but there shouldn't be no bother. Had some cows come in and stare at my decoy and stare at my speaker one time. Just wondering what in the world's going on. Alright, I'm in a new spot that I scouted today. It's a big open field. Now, there's water up in front of me, and there's water back behind me. There's little fingers of timber everywhere, so we're going to, let's see here. See if we can project this dude.